Welcome to Gardening Myths and Truths, where we uncover the facts behind common gardening practices. Today, we're exploring the claim, painting the lower trunk of a tree will prevent sunburn. Is it a myth, or is it true? Gardeners and orchardists have long practiced painting the lower trunks of trees, especially young ones. The idea is that a coat of white paint can protect the tree from sunburn, also known as sunscald. But does it really work? Sunscald occurs when the bark of a tree is exposed to intense sunlight, causing it to heat up and cool down rapidly. This can lead to the bark cracking and becoming damaged, which can be detrimental to the tree's health. The expert arborist explains that this is particularly a problem for young trees and those with thin bark, like fruit trees. Painting the lower trunk of a tree with white latex paint reflects sunlight, reducing the temperature fluctuations that cause sunscald. The white color is key because it reflects more sunlight than darker colors. In practice, this method has been proven effective. Orchardists often use a mixture of half water and half white latex paint. It's important to use latex paint as it's breathable, allowing the tree to breathe and preventing moisture from being trapped under the paint, which can lead to other issues. So, is painting the lower trunk of a tree to prevent sunburn a myth or a truth? It's true. Painting the lower trunk of a tree with white latex paint is an effective way to prevent sunscald, especially in young or newly planted trees. It's a simple and inexpensive method that can protect your trees from significant damage. Thank you for joining us on Gardening Myths and Truths. Remember to subscribe for more tips and insights to keep your garden thriving. Happy gardening! See you next time.